Hi guys, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. This is Rutu Joshi. Our today's topic is that how will be your June month. So we will see that we have two options in front of us. Option number one is this heart shape soft toy cushion pillow, and option number two is smiley. So you can choose any one option. Okay, option number one, option number two. Okay, you can pause the video, meditate on the video. Okay, and please remember this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. And if you want to take a personal reading with me, I have mentioned my link of Instagram in the description box below, and I have mentioned also my email ID. So choose option one. Option two, how will be your June month, and we will try to see if we can see the charms also. So please wait with me till the end of the video. So we will start. Those who have chose this option, option number one, how will be your June month. Okay, so we have all the cards over here. I have already pre-shuffled the cards. Postponement, maturity, the rebel, sharing, Queen of Swords, Justice, Five of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups, Eight of Swords, and Page of Wands. So if you are going through any legal battle, there will be some sort of trouble in the month of June that I can see with this Justice and with this Five of Pentacles. If you are going through any legal battle regarding property or money, then I can see June month will be difficult for you in regards to money matter, in regards to your legal case. So I would suggest you to be calm. I would suggest you to stay positive, like the way you are very caring, nurturing, motherly. Okay, and I can see a lot of people are who have chose this heart shape option. You people are single, okay, and maybe some of you, if you are not single, I can see some sort of darkness you are going through, dark night of the soul, or you are going through some sort of depression. You feeling stuck. You feel like your situation is stagnant. You are not able to move, and your heart chakra is blocked. Maybe someone has ditched you. Those sort of feelings I am getting from your reading, from this pile. Those who have chose option number one, heart shape soft toy. So you are a rebellious person, and you will have to be rebellious in the month of June as well. I can see in the terms of that you can take a stand for yourself, okay, but don't get into argument with such people who is poking you, especially they are regarding they are in your office or in your business or work area. So if a legal case is going on, money matter is involved in legal cases, so those sort of things you need to be calm. Okay, you can take a stand for yourself, but you just need to be calm in that area. Otherwise you can be rebellious. You are a rebellious person, and you know how to make decisions. You are a mature and grown up person, okay, and maturity does not come with age. Maturity comes with experiences. So yeah, also I can feel you are stalking someone, or someone is stalking you, and you feel alone, you feel stuck, you feel like I have shared a lot of things, my emotions, my time, my money, but I haven't received anything back. But I am telling you, something positive is going to come, but you will not see the result exactly in June month. Okay, after 8 weeks you will be able to see the exact result, positive result, which will be in your favor. After 8 weeks you will be able to see. So in June month exactly you will not be able to see those results. Also I want to pull out some charms for you. This is my charm bag. I'll pull out some charms, okay, randomly. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so as I've said, like you will have to be careful in the month of June, because somebody might be poking you, and you need to be calm. Someone is trying to provoke you. Also maybe in your birth chart planetary position is not in your favor as in the month of June. That is what I am feeling in regards of money, property, and career matters. So you need to be careful what you speak, when you speak, whom you are talking to. So you need to be very careful in the month of June, especially if you are going through any legal cases, or especially if you are having trouble in money matter. So initial for you, we have received P initial we have received. I hope you can see. And also you need to be very much careful from the people who is buttering you. Okay, if you are married and you have children, you might be worried about their education, maybe their health in the month of June. That is what I am feeling. So I would suggest you to listen to some music, some calming music, healing music. And for some of you, those who is waiting for someone, who's waiting for marriage, who's waiting for the love relationship, who's waiting for the committed relationship, I can see some sort of positive news. Okay, there are chances you will get engaged or committed, or if not in the June month, then you will get some news or positive positive proposal from positive people. That is what I am feeling. So marriage proposal can come to you. If you are in a committed relationship, I can see that most of you are not in a committed relationship, those who have chose this. But if you are in a committed relationship, there are chances you will get engaged, you will get married. Those sort of things I am feeling. Okay, so pile 1, this is what I am feeling for you for the month of June. So you need to be extra careful just a little bit in the June month. You need to be calm. Don't argue with those who is involved in your career, office, business and money matter. And if you are having any money trouble, it will be resolved. Okay, transparency will be coming. Okay, but it will take time. You will see the result not exactly in June month, but you will see the result after 8 weeks. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. Okay, please remember, this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. You can book a private reading for that with me. Okay. And we will now move to the pile 2. Okay, those who have chose this yellow smiley. Okay, pile 2. Let's see how will be your June month, what is coming up for you. So sorry if you are hearing any background noise, I'm so sorry for that. So I can see the Leo sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, strong Leo sign I am seeing. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Almost every sign is there, but more dominantly I am feeling Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So you people are here on earth to create something, and in June month you will start doing it. You will take at least first step, you can say first step of the big movement which is going to happen in future, in near future for you. So you people are those who have chose this pile. You people are creator, you people are masters, you people are spiritual people. You might be a tarot reader, a spiritual person, or you might be into spirituality or some like yoga, astrology, tarot reader, psychic medium. So if not, you will be interested in spirituality. But I can see those who have chosen, you people are creator. You are here on earth to do something big, definitely. And transformation is coming, big transformation is coming. You are going to create something for this world, in this world, and that will be the first step of you in the June month. You will take first step towards it. Okay, that is what I am feeling, and you will celebrate also. So this pile is very positive and light in comparison to pile number 1, red heart. So this yellow smiley was part is sorry this smiley option is very good. You going to celebrate in the month of June. Okay, if you are feeling any health issue or you are confused about something, you will come out of that. Definitely victory for you. So yes, if someone in your mind, in your life, whether your ex, whether your current partner is not expressing his emotions or her emotions properly, then I can sense that they will come towards you, rushing you, especially if they are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign. Okay, if they are under these signs, then I can sense that definitely they are coming towards you, rushing towards you, and I can sense that they will express themselves if they were not used to express themselves. I can see that. and you'll come out of the confusion, as I've said. And you have been very much strong and patient till now in your life. You have worked really, really, really hard till now in your life, and you will get the rewards of it. You will celebrate, you will create, you will get the transformation, you will get the positivity, you will get the support of animals, you will get the support of universe, you will get the support of God, angels, spirit guides, spirit animals, everyone in 3D world as well as in 5D world, okay, in third dimension as well as in fifth dimension. You will get everyone's support you will receive. And it will start happening in the month of June. You will start seeing at least a first step in the June month, okay. For some of you, you have asked for the justice. Someone has did you wrong, maybe your ex-partner or someone from your past, or maybe it can be your husband, ex-husband, or current partner or ex-partner, whoever it is. If in any area of your life someone has did you wrong and you have asked, you know, for justice in your relationship, then you will get the justice in the month of June from angels. This is the time for you. Those who have chose yellow option, smiley, this is the time for you. You will have the justice. This is your right time. You will have the justice from angels, okay, from God, from universe, whomever you believe in, okay. And you have been very much patient, and you have a lot of strength, you know, and it will going to benefit you definitely. I can sense that. I will also want to pull out some charms. This is my charm bag. Let's see. I will randomly pull out some charms. So yeah, definitely, if you are feeling any money loss or money trouble or some expenses you are facing in June month, there are chances you will come out of it, okay. But you need to be careful while spending money, especially in the month of June. We have received initial W, okay. I'm not taking on much initials, I just want to focus on charms more, okay. 4 number we have received, and bottom of the deck also we have received the 4 of Wands. So yeah, there are chances for some of you, you will buy a home or you will have a committed relationship, okay. And growth, if you are expecting growth, there are chances, you know, your life will blossom like a rose, your life will blossom like a flower, you know. There will be expansion, there will be progress, there will be growth, okay. If you are feeling confused and in some controlling situation you feel stuck, then I can see, you know, you will come out of it. And if you are missing your past person or some past baggage, childhood traumas, or you know, high school dramas, or any sort of friendship drama you have faced in your past, then I can see it will be resolving, okay. You will be healed, okay. Definitely you will be healed. So I would suggest you to, if you want to protect yourself, you can wear a Rudraksh, okay. And or else you can, you know, use some sort of natural perfumes like rose, jasmine, mogra, those sort of natural perfumes you can use. It will help you boost your mood instantly. I can feel those who have chose this pile, okay. 6 number might be touching you, 4 number might be touching you, so you will come out of the controlling situation. That is what I am feeling. So pile 2, this is what I feel for you in the month of June. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and support me. And also if you want to take a personal reading with me, you can email me on joshirutu9@gmail.com, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. All the links and details I have mentioned in the description box below. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how you find this reading. Was it resonated or not? Few messages, even if it has resonated, please let me know. And also like, share, subscribe and motivate me. And thank you so much. So hope to see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye, guys.